Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a little secret command, something that I bet a lot of you don't know. It exists, and if you have a small hard drive, a small SSD, and you're trying to get more space, this command can really help you, as it will compress the Windows image files so that it takes a little less space, and it can actually get you a few gigabytes depending on the setup. So it's a command that runs in, of course, command line. That is called compact. And to give you an example here, I'm going to start a command prompt with administration, and I will type COMPACT.EXE, COMPACT.EXE. And look at that. It will go through all my files, and it's going to give me a listing saying that, here we go, of 5,098 files within one directories. 4640 are compressed. 458 are not compressed. And it tells you the amount of data stored and the compression ratio. And this you can actually run to compress even more if you want. It doesn't hurt the operating system. It doesn't hurt nothing. If you do this, you will save space. Your system will still work fine. It is a little known command, but here's the page from Microsoft itself, learned on Microsoft.com, where you will have all the explanation of how this can be applied and how you can actually have a compact Windows setup that it takes a lot less space, and this without having to necessarily reinstall Windows. You can actually run it with the DISM command and have, unmount the Windows system for a while, compress the files, and mount it again so that you can boot up. And it will actually have a lot of space that you can save. And like I said, if you're striving for space, you've got just a few gigabytes and you're wondering, how can I get a little more? How can I squeeze Windows more? This is the command line. So I'll share this link. Go and check out the documentation. And hey, maybe you'll get a few more gigabytes out of your system by running this on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.